Future scientist is more about complex problem solving. We don't want to restrict it to one domain. So when we're talking about climate action, when we're talking about precision agriculture, when we're talking about, of course, drug discovery, natural biologists and other areas, and also when we're talking about health intelligence, it's not just one discipline, it's multidisciplinary. You have to traverse through systems, and more of value chain innovation or any kind of these innovations that we're thinking like what even Kalyan is trying to solve in the health procurement space. These are not easy solutions, and people have to really understand how systems function and how the policy, the rules, the process, and how everything boils down finally to the system. And these experiences, the current experiences, and how the sub-experiences work, where there is a need for transformation, which elements or which particular experiences have to be tweaked. So our framework is going to help them in scientifically, through the scientific lens or the lens of science, they look at solving the problems in the Future Scientist Forum. So the point of view or the lens that they wear, is more from the science perspective. And when it comes to future techies, this is more to do with the social and the business problem solving. That is what we do at our jobs. All the IT industry here, all the biotech industry, any other industry, right? Somebody is getting on a job. We are solving a business problem or a social problem through that company, technically. So we're trying to understand the social landscape, or for that set of audience, and then what experiences can give them that happy hormones, or happy emotion always, the best iPhone ever, right? Why the best iPhone? Why the new version always is the customer is happy. I know I have a Osmo Pocket 2, so it's a 3.4 version now. Why I want to upgrade is just for the kick, right? So that's where the future techies are all about creating futuristic solutions for the ever existing problems.